Hey everyone, today we are going to discuss the 10 greatest inventions by Indian. We all know that India is one of the oldest civilization in the world with the super rich culture in its history. From the buttons on the shirt to the shampoo in your shower, everything comes from India or even Indian civilization. Watch this video till the end and yes, don't forget to subscribe our channel to keep yourself updated. So let's get started. The first and very important inventions by the Indian is the zero. People in ancient time has always thought that there should be some sign to indicate nothing. Well, their worries were put to rest in 5th century AD when Aryabhat, an Indian genius, invented zero to represent nothing. अगर आपको मैथ्स बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है और ज़ीरो का इन्वेंशन आपको लगता है कोई ख़ास इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है तो मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी अगर ज़ीरो नहीं होता देन वी डोंट हैव बाइनरी सिस्टम, वी डोंट हैव कंप्यूटर्स. अब बताइए, हाउ डू यू लाइक ज़ीरो नाउ? Let's talk about the next. Rulers were invented by the Indians. Indus Valley civilization was using rulers in 1500 BC. Yes, you heard it right, which was made from ivory, and these rulers were found in excavation in northwestern India. And they were widely used in architecture with pretty amazing accuracy. That means the rulers that we are using right now are not modern inventions, they were the invention in 1500 BC. Pretty amazing, right? Next Indian invention is chess. This all-time top game for intellectual is also the invention from India. Ancient time it was also known as Chaturang, and it was also a board game invented at the time of Gupta Empire around 6th century AD. The other important board popular game was also brought by India, and that is snake ladders. The original version was called as Moksha Patham, and it was invented in 13th century by the Saint Gyandev, in which snakes were known as provisions or evils and ladders were known as virtues, and it was a game of kings at that time. Next we have plastic surgery. In 6th century BC, saint named Shushruth created a huge reference book on the medicines and the surgery. It was the world's earliest work of this kind. Shushruth was also known as the father of surgery. He also described the medicinal use of 100 herbs, and he also explained the various types of surgery like nose reconstruction, skin transplantation, plastic surgery and all. Hands off to Indians. Next we have wireless communication. Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose presented his discovery of radio communications to the public in 1895. He sent an electromagnetic wave across 75 feet to the town hall in Kolkata. The wave passed through the wall, rang the bell, and ignited some gunpowder. Next invention is USB, the Universal Serial Bus. We are very proud to announce that the inventor of USB is also an Indian named as Ajay Bhatt. He was working as an engineer in Intel in 1990, and he invented the USB, and he made the world revolution by this invention. Hit the like button if you have ever done yoga. Yes, I have done. So hit the like button. The only source from which we can feel positive or positive vibes is from doing the yoga. Yoga is one of the oldest invention from India, and that was invented before or 5000 years ago. Our honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi announces 21st June as the Yoga Day, and the whole world agrees to it and declares that 21st June will be celebrated as International Yoga Day. Next we have the invention of buttons. So simple but revolutionary. The first button was found in the excavation in Mohenjo-daro. Over 5000 years ago, it was made by she cells, and which was used as a form of jewelry. And later, they used to know that they can tie with this their clothes. Last but not least, natural fibers. Nothing feels better as a natural cotton on your body. Words don't get the clothes if it was not invented in India. Indians started cultivating cotton in 5th and 4th century BC, and that was the invention made by Indians, and all the world wanted it, and cotton is mostly exported from India to the England and various foreign countries. So do comment me how you like this video, and just subscribe my channel if you have still not subscribed my channel. Hit the like button if you like it and found it is useful for you.